Hello kids, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to English class. In this class, we are going to learn a new chapter, the birthday ride. Before that, tell me one thing. How do you feel if you're writing for the whole day? How do you feel if you're running for the whole day? How do you feel if you're doing something for the whole day? Will you feel tired? Okay, let's talk about the machines. Now tell me, what do you think about the mixer, grinder and the televisions? Have you traveled? Have you played in the giant wheel or in the roller coaster? Do you think, will it feel tired? Because it is running for the whole day and carrying the passengers to making them too happy? Do you think the machines have emotions and feelings? What is this? Have you seen this? We can see this in our school playground and the park and the gardens. Yes, it is a merry-go-round. Do you think the merry-go-round also has feelings and it is also feel tired because it is running for the whole day? Do you like to play in the merry-go-round? Yes, in this lesson we are going to read about and we are going to learn about the merry-go-round and how it feels because of his work for all the day.
The birthday ride. The happy children go round and round on the merry-go-round. They sing and laugh. I go round and round the whole day, says the merry-go-round. I'm tired. I must rest now. And it stops.
The children went round and round in the merry-go-round. They sang and laughed. I go round and round the whole day, said the merry-go-round. I'm tired. I must rest now. And it stopped.
Okay, what are the words that tells us that the children are happy? The children are happy because they are playing with the merry-go-round. Happy, sing and laugh. These words are describing about the happiness of the children. What are the words tell us that the merry-go-round was not having fun like the children? Yes, I am tired. I must rest now. These words describes about the merry-go-round, which the merry-go-round was very tired because it is running and carrying the children the whole day.
Mr. Jones pulls it and pushes it. He looks inside it and scratches his head. What is wrong with the merry-go-round? He asks. Sorry, you must get down, says Mr. Jones to the children. The sad children climb down and walk away.
Mr. Jones pulled it and pushed it. He looked inside it and scratched his head. Now, why did the merry-go-round stop? He asked. Sorry, you must get down, said Mr. Jones to the children. The children were sad. They climbed down and walked away.
Tell me children, is Mr. Jones able to make it work? Why does he scratch his head? Because the merry-go-round stops suddenly and Mr. Jones, he is not able to find out what the problem could be happen with the merry-go-round. So, he scratches his head. Why does Mr. Jones ask the children to get down? Yes, the merry-go-round stops its running and Mr. Jones not able to repair the merry-go-round, and he knows well that it will not work again. So Mr. Jones asked the children to climb down from the merry-go-round. Why do the children become sad? Do you know? Yes, because the merry-go-round stops its running. The children was very happy while they are playing with the merry-go-round. But now the merry-go-round stops its running. And Mr. Jones asked the children to climb down from the merry-go-round. So the children become very sad.
Little Brad stands there with his mother. He is very sad. Come, let's go home, says his mother. We can come back tomorrow. Tomorrow is not my birthday. It's today, says Brad sadly. The merry-go-round hears this and feels bad. I can go round once more, it says. It's his birthday. I must make him happy.
One little boy stood there with his mother. He was very sad. Come, let's go home, said his mother. We can come back tomorrow. Tomorrow is not my birthday. It's today, said the sad little boy. The merry-go-round heard this and felt bad. I can go round once more, it said. It's his birthday. I must make him happy.
Why has little Brad come there? Is it a special day for him? Yes, the little boy, and his name is Brad, he came to play with the merry-go-round. Yes, of course, it is a special day for him because it is Brad's birthday today. So he came to the park to play with the merry-go-round. How does he want to celebrate his birthday? Tell me, how will you celebrate your birthday? We will cut the cakes. We will call our friends to have a party. We will go outing with our family and friends to celebrate our birthday. We will go for lunch. We will go to our relative's house. So in this way, we will celebrate our birthday, right? So here, little Brad has come to the merry-go-round to play and have fun for his birthday.
Mr. Jones says, "Let me try again." He turns the handle. The merry-go-round moves slowly. "Jump in!" shouts Mr. Jones. Brad climbs in. The merry-go-round goes faster and faster. Brad laughs and claps his hands. He enjoys his birthday ride.
Mr. Jones said, "Let me try again." He turned the handle. Tarrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr shouted Mr. Jones. The little boy climbed in. He laughed and clapped his hands. He enjoyed his birthday ride.
What does a merry-go-round do when it hears Brat? Yes, Brat was very sad because the merry-go-round stops his running. He feels very bad when the merry-go-round heard and the merry-go-round says, "No, I must make him happy because today is his birthday." So when the merry-go-round feels bad for Brat and if the merry-go-round wants to make him happy, is a merry-go-round kind-hearted? Why do you think so? Yes, the merry-go-round felt very bad for Brat because That day is Brad's birthday and the merry-go-round made Brad to be happy. So it is a kind-hearted. What happened when Mr. Jones turned the handle? Yes, the merry-go-round started to move slowly. Is Brad happy now? Why? Yes, Brad climbs in the merry-go-round. The merry-go-round goes faster and faster. Brad laughs and claps his hand and he enjoys his birthday. Do you think the merry-go-round is happy too? Will it stop after this ride? Yes, the merry-go-round is very happy because he makes Brad to be happy on his birthday. And the merry-go-round wants to ride just one more time only for Brad to make him happy for his birthday. And now merry-go-round will take some rest after it will start to running. Okay children, now it's a time for activity. We have learned that machines also need a break, right? Like a human being, like a people, we will take some rest while doing many works. Like this, the merry-go-round also needs some break. For that only the merry-go-round stops suddenly. But when it sees the broads feel very bad, the merry-go-round starts to work again. Here, you have to read the given sentences. Then you have to draw a smiley, happy smiley or a sad smiley according to the sentence here. For example, if the first sentence is, they sing and dance. Okay, what will you do if you sing and dance? You will be happy, right? So you have to draw a happy smile in the given column. The next one, I am tired. Will you be very happy? When you are tired, no. You will be sad or tired, no. Then you have to draw a smiley according to the sentence. Like that, you want to give a smiley for all the sentences. And one more activity. You want to make us different emotions and feelings with a balloon. Take a balloon like this and draw a different feelings on the balloons and send it to me. See you in the next class, children. Thank you.